Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can delete any folder or any file in Windows 11. So guys, it's very simple. All you have to do is to right click on that folder or any file which you want to delete. In my case it's a folder, so I will do a right click on that folder, and then you can see a delete option right here. You just have to click on that and your folder is gone. So guys, that's how you can delete any file or any folder in Windows 11. It's very simple, very easy. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.